We just got the system in July of this year. That's when we went live, so it's brand new to us. We're new users. The web is it's totally, it's new. We went from a paper system to an online system, and it's been great so far.
Sitting through the classes from Legacy to the web version, we're very excited. It seems like it's going to be easier for us. Our officers probably won't see a big change because the portal that we use now is the one that they laughed about when they saw the orange screen. But to me, the web version looks exactly the same for them, so it's not going to be a big difference. One of the exciting pieces that you're going to host it, so we will be able to use the app. Our officers are very app driven. We have a lot of millennials, so any type of app will make our lives easier for them.
It has been invaluable, especially having the Legacy to Login segment available, just to introduce us into the system. There are quite a few features that I weren't aware that are going to be available that I know once navigating through this new system and learning it will benefit in the end with all the rules that are set once you build in.
We had a lot of challenges. Just to take a simple day off, an officer would have to use a piece of paper and would have to go through 5 or 6 different hands before they could even get approved, and maybe sometimes they got lost in the shuffle or whatnot. And now with this new system, guys can do it right from their phone and it's in and done.
Well, right now I normally spend the month of December building all new time sheets, time in Legacy for each employee who have graduated up in their longevity time, in their status with union contracts, in how many days they get allotted. And I find once we get into the cloud, once I build those rules, 5 years from now, employee X will get those allotted hours and time automatically.
I learned a lot, especially with us. We're migrating next Thursday, so understanding what the new system looks like and how it's going to operate is going to help us. It'll allow us to better train our officers and our employees when we get back, so I feel it's very beneficial for me.
We got a lot of great value out of this because we're meeting people from all over the place that maybe we had an issue that we couldn't figure out because we're new to the system and we're asking a lot of questions and we're figuring out, we thought we knew the system, and now we're learning so much about the system now, and we're able to, get a lot of insight. And then the classes are great, where we're learning, more and more about the system that we didn't even know about.
Very, very helpful. Francisco is giving us our Legacy to Login, and he's been fantastic. And I also appreciate every one of you is available to sit down and speak with. And I sat with a few of your staff yesterday with particular problems, and they're already being addressed, and they're working on getting us what we can get. So that's been fantastic with the conference, having one-on-one with all the techs.
I think the big thing for us is going to be sitting down with our supervisors again and going over how we expect them to approve stuff. So we now have the ability to make sure that we know as administrators what's going on within the schedule, and just basically I think the app, when we roll that out, or the web version, people are going to be excited. So that's going to help us a lot with the way we do business.
As a supervisor now, it's a little bit easier for me. I used to have to, I thought I knew the way of looking at a shift for the manpower and open shifts, and now it's just one click away and it's much easier to see. So I'll be able to show my guys much better ways to use the system that we thought was great, and now it's even better.